Designing a card that makes an impression shouldn't be complicated, and with our online designer, it's simple to build a custom metal card that feels like you. Start by choosing the product you want. Then, select your quantity and click the Launch Designer button to get started. First, pick your finish. Each one brings its own look, so choose what fits your brand the best. Next, you can build your card from scratch or select one of our professionally designed templates. Upload your logo or any images you want to add to the card. Arrange everything exactly how you want it. Then refine your text, font, size, spacing, until it feels just right. We give you the tools so that you can make your card fit your brand. When your design is ready, click the Save button to head back to the product page where you'll see your completed design. From there, you can select your options, like any additional colors, a specialized backing, card sleeves, and more. Add it to your cart when you're ready. Before checkout, you'll also have the option to leave notes or fine-tune any options. Click Checkout to get the order placed. All orders get reviewed by our dedicated team, and we will send you a final digital proof for your approval if we notice any issues with your design. Once approved, our team gets to work, crafting your cards with the same attention to detail you put into your design. We guarantee your cards will make you stand out, or we'll give you your money back.